So you want to make money on YouTube, but you don't want to show your face. But you might be wondering, which niche should I choose? You might have seen my videos in the past saying that you can make money on YouTube without making any videos, but you might be wondering which niche or which category of video should I actually do this in? And there's so many different categories out there, and in this video today, I'm going to be going over 10 different profitable YouTube niches that you can do without ever showing your face. And I know that might sound crazy because a lot of people think that in order to make money on YouTube, you need to do things like get behind a camera like I'm doing right here. But what if I were to tell you that that couldn't be further from the truth? In fact, I've gotten over 1 million subscribers on YouTube without ever showing my face on this channel. I've gotten over 100,000 subscribers on this channel and over 100,000 subscribers on another channel. And these are all channels without ever showing my face. So yes, it's possible. And in this video today, I'm going to be going over 10 different niches that you can do to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face. My name is Matt Parr. I run 9 different YouTube channels, and make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out when I come out with regular videos helping you with YouTube. All right, so niche idea number 10 is the quiz niche. Now, you might have seen videos like this out there on the internet, or you might have seen quizzes like this on websites like BuzzFeed. Now, here's an example channel doing just this called 1 Million Tests. And as you can see on this channel right here, they have over 600,000 subscribers, and they do videos like, what kind of angel are you? Are you an angel or are you a devil? What color is your aura? What does your birth month say about you? What kind of beauty do you have? Just videos like this that ask you a bunch of fun, interesting questions about yourself. And then at the end, depending on your answers, it reveals what you are. And there's a ton of channels doing this. 1 Million Tests is just one of them. And let's take a look at the Social Blade statistics for this channel. They're getting 5 million views a month on their channel, between $1,000 and $20,000 a month. I would estimate it's around in the middle there, around $10,000 to $15,000 a month just from ad revenue if they have their channel monetized. And take a look at this. They haven't uploaded for 8 months. Now, what does this tell you? It tells you that this is an incredible niche due to the fact that they haven't uploaded for 8 months yet. They're still getting 5 million views a month. This tells you that this is an incredible niche with incredible evergreen opportunity, meaning that this isn't something where you'll upload a bunch of videos and they'll fade out. This is something with actual long-term evergreen potential. So that's a really good sign right there, and another reason why you should maybe consider the quiz niche if you want to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face. Now here's another channel right here in the quiz niche called Mr. Test, over 500,000 subscribers. As you can see, this channel gets 2 million views a month, and they're getting 15,000 subscribers a month, and they just do videos like mental age test. What is your mental age? Is your crush in love with you? And just videos like this, these fun, relatable, quirky quizzes that you can answer the questions to, and it'll say something about yourself, and these videos get a lot of views. Here's another channel called BuzzMoy, 800,000 subscribers. They're probably about to hit 1 million subscribers very soon. And if we take a look at their Social Blade statistics, they're also getting 2 million views a month on their channel. And as you can see, they upload videos pretty frequently, a couple videos a week, 1 to 2 videos per week on their channel. And they just do videos like, which cosmic entity are you? And some of these videos actually get a lot of views. Now let's talk about niche idea number 9, which is the luxury/financial niche. Now here's an example channel in this niche called Mr. Luxury. Very appropriate name. Over 200,000 subscribers, over 250,000 subscribers. And what's really interesting is just how quick that this channel grew. This is a fairly new channel, and they've still been able to get over 250,000 subscribers very soon. And if we take a look at the Social Blade statistics for this channel, Mr. Luxury, right here, as you can see, they are getting over 4.9 million views a month, as much as $20,000 a month. And I would actually estimate that from these Social Blade estimates right here, that is actually on the higher end of this estimate due to the fact that the financial/luxury niche, there's a lot of advertisers on YouTube that want to advertise on videos like this, meaning that you can expect to make more money per 1,000 views. Now, this isn't to say that you will, but this is in general talking from my experience running channels in niches similar to this. So if this channel is monetized, I would guess that they're making on the higher end of those two estimates right there, just from ad revenue alone. I personally would guess that. And here's another channel in the luxury niche called alux.com, 2.9 million subscribers, and they do these same types of videos like the 10 most expensive watches or the 10 highest paid jobs and just stuff like that, 15 facts about Elon Musk, and these videos can get a lot of views. And Taking a look at the Social Blade stats, this channel gets just shy of 10 million views a month. 9.3 million views a month. They could be making as much as $37,000 a month. And like I said, I would guess it's actually on the higher end of those estimates due to the fact that the financial/luxury niche I would personally classify as a high CPM niche. Niche idea number 8 is the meditation niche. Now, this might come as a shock to a lot of people. It's a very weird niche when you actually think about it on YouTube, but think about it. Have you ever listened to like meditations on YouTube or looked up soothing sounds to help you fall asleep or anything like that? If you have, you're not alone. There's millions of people online who do this. And here's an example channel that produces these types of videos. And it's a guy named Michael Seeley, 1.2 million subscribers. And as you can see, he just makes videos like guided meditation for detachment from overthinking, thunderstorm and rain sounds for 2 hours, and 16 million views on that video right there. And taking a look at the Social Blade stats for Michael Seeley's channel, he's getting 5.4 million views a month on his channel. And he's not the only one producing videos like that. Here's another one called Meditation Relaxed Music. 2.15 million subscribers, and they produce these very simple meditation videos. Now, you could always hire someone on Fiverr to make the meditations for you, or you could even make the meditations yourself. If you have more money than time, then you hire people on Fiverr to make the meditations for you. But if you have more time than money, then you can actually just use a cell phone to record the meditations yourself. When I started out on YouTube, I would literally just record the voiceovers using my phone with my super high-pitched squeaky voice, yet I was still making $9,000 a month, more than my parents, more than my friends. And I'm just saying this not to brag, but to show you that it's actually possible to do this. And I make a lot more now from YouTube using the tactics that I'm showing you on this YouTube channel. Niche idea number 7 is the technology niche. The technology niche is huge on YouTube, and there's a ton of huge channels in this niche. I'm going to be showing you one of them called Tech Zone. And as you can see, Tech Zone's got 2.5 million subscribers, and they just do videos like incredible road technologies that are really insane, useful inventions that will take your home to another level, and just showing other people's videos, doing a voiceover on top of these videos, never having to show their face. And take a look at this. This channel is getting 20 million views a month on their channel, as much as $80,000 a month just in ad revenue alone, estimated by Social Blade. I would estimate it's actually towards the higher end of that estimate as well, due to the fact that I would classify the technology niche as a high CPM niche, meaning that there's a lot of advertisers who want to advertise on technology videos. I mean, think of how many phone companies there are that have huge advertising budgets that just pump that into YouTube, targeting keywords like technology, new technology, future technology, and stuff like that. And because of that reason, you could potentially make a lot more money in a niche like the technology niche. Niche idea number 6 is the animal niche. Here's an example channel in the animal niche called Animal Facts with over 126,000 subscribers, and they just do videos like the top 10 small dog breeds that don't shed, just a voiceover on top of the video, literally just using other people's clips, and you can get clips to use within your videos from places like pixabay.com and pexels.com. Completely free and royalty-free videos and pictures that you can use within your videos, not have to worry about copyright or anything like that. And taking a look at this channel right here, if we take a look at the Social Blade statistics, they're getting 1.7 million views a month on their channel. And another really great opportunity for channels in the animal niche as well is that you could actually promote relevant products from places like clickbank.com or digistore24.com in the animal niche. You could promote these products, just put a link in your description, and in my experience, you'll make a lot more money from affiliate marketing than from YouTube ad revenue alone. YouTube ad revenue is great, but you can actually make a lot more doing things like affiliate marketing or even selling your own products from your YouTube channel. Now, affiliate marketing is great because you don't actually have to own a product, but that's just one of the options. And here's another YouTube channel right here called Animal Wise. They do these same types of videos, and some of these videos get a lot of views. If we take a look at their videos right here, they just do mostly like cat videos. They do some dog videos as well, but if we take a look at their most popular uploads right here, as you can see, they're mostly cat videos right here. 7 mistakes cat owners make. Why does my cat sleep with me? 7 ways to tell a dog that you love them. Just videos like this, informative videos using other people's videos, doing a voiceover on top of these videos. Here's another channel called AnimalTube TV. They do these same types of videos, getting 70,000 views a month, over 700,000 subscribers on their channel. Same type of stuff. Here's another channel called Viral Bee, another channel in the animal niche, having over 1 million subscribers, and this channel gets over 4.5 million views a month. and they just do videos like, these are the top 10 farm animals ever, or the top 10 rarest animals on the planet, German Shepherd versus Siberian Husky, and just videos like this, and some of these videos can get a lot of views. Niche idea number 5 is the scary story niche. I bet you didn't think of that. Scary stories on YouTube could actually potentially make a lot of money. Now, here's a channel called Mr. Nightmare in the scary story niche, and if we click to his videos right here and go to his most popular uploads right here, they're literally just pictures and videos with a voiceover talking about a scary story on the video. It doesn't require you to show your face or anything like that, and they just do videos like the 3 creepy true school lockdown stories and just stuff like that. Niche idea number 4 is the top 10 / countdown list niche. Now, I'm sure you've seen videos in the list niche just producing videos like top 10 videos or top 5 videos and stuff like that. And here's a great example channel in the list niche called Top 5 Best. 4.6 million subscribers on this channel right here. And as you can see, they just upload videos like the top 10 most insane banned water slides in the world. 43 million views. And if we take a look right here, this channel is getting 29 million views per month on their channel, which is absolutely insane. And here's another channel in the list niche called Nuke's Top 5s. And as you can see, his videos get a lot of views, 1 million views, 1 million views, 1 million views. And his channel is getting over 16 million views per month. Here's another channel in the list niche called Top 15s, and they just do videos like the top 15 scary videos that we were warned not to watch. Top 15 scary videos that'll scare you silly. And just videos like this. And if we take a look at the Social Blade statistics, getting over 7 million views a month on their channel, just doing a voiceover, looking at other people's scary story videos. Niche idea number 3 is the health niche. Here's an example channel in the health niche called Natural Cures with over 3 million subscribers, and they just produce videos like the 7 things you can do to lose weight naturally. 11 million views on that video right there. And these videos get a lot of views like this one. This is why you should sleep with garlic under your pillow. 29 million views. And the videos are literally just text on a screen with stock footage and pictures in the background. And again, you can get completely free pictures and videos to use within your videos from pixabay.com or pexels.com. And you don't have to worry about attribution or anything like that on most of the content on those websites. Niche idea number 2 is the psychology niche. Yes, you can actually make money on YouTube in the psychology niche, and there's tons of huge channels doing it. Here's an example channel called Brainy Dose. With over 1 million subscribers, they could have potentially gotten a gold play button from their YouTube channel, and they just do videos like, do you often wake up to between 3 and 5 a.m.? Here's what it means. Or how to read anyone instantly. 18 psychological tips. 5 million views, 5 million views. Some of these videos get a lot of views. 6.6 million views on that video right there. And if we take a look at the Social Blade statistics, this channel is getting 4.33 million views per month on their channel. Not bad at all for a channel in the psychology niche. Niche idea number 1 to make money on YouTube without ever showing your face is the life hack niche. Yes, you can actually make money recording yourself doing life hacks, never even having to show your face. You can simply angle a camera up above you and just perform different life hacks, literally just showing your hands, get bright colored background from either Walmart or Dollar Tree, or just buy it online from Amazon, and you can record yourself doing life hacks without ever showing your face, just showing your hands or getting someone else to produce the videos for you. Even better, and here's an example channel doing just this called 5 Minute Crafts. As you can see, they have 66 million subscribers on their channel, and if we take a look at the Social Blade statistics, they are getting a whopping 197 million views a month, as much as $15 million a year. I would estimate it's about in the middle of that. I would estimate around $7 million a year just from ad revenue alone on their channel. Not bad at all, and they're obviously killing it. And they just do videos like the 42 Holy Grail life hacks that will save you a fortune, and they do a bunch of life hacks in a single video, and some of these videos can get a ton of views. So right about now, you might be saying, Matt, I really want to get started making money on YouTube, but I don't really know where to start. I don't know which niche I should actually choose to go forward. I want to do the animal niche, but I want to make sure I do it the right way. So let me ask you a question. If you had the choice between trying to do this alone, yourself, just guessing what works, what doesn't, and learning through trial and error, or discovering what works from someone who's already done this time and time again, help you, mentor you, and guide you to get the results and give you their proven blueprint for success on YouTube, which of the two would you choose? If you would choose having someone who's done this time and time again help you and mentor you to get the results you want, then I'd love to introduce you to my program called Tube Mastery and Monetization. Tube Mastery and Monetization is a course and community that lays out an exact blueprint for how you can get started doing this. And if you're interested, link will be down below for Tube Mastery and Monetization, and you'll get my exact step-by-step course on exactly how to do this. And on top of that, you'll even get some bonuses such as 100 different profitable different niches and example channels in a bunch of these niches, fill in the blank video script templates, and you'll even get access to the student Facebook group in which you'll be able to mastermind with other students who are actually doing this. Meet people who are actually doing this, network, see what's working, what's not working, see all the success and results that people are getting within this program. And also, if you're interested, you can go to mattparr.com/reviews to see all of the amazing reviews that we've gotten from people who've gone through the program. And if you go to mattparr.com, you can actually attend a completely free training by clicking this button right here on the website, and you can attend a completely free training that'll help you with YouTube. So if you're on the fence about the course or anything like that, you can attend the free training if you want, or if you're already sure that you want to do this, but you just want to make sure that you do it the right way for sure, you can check out my program, Tube Mastery and Monetization, down at the link in the description. I want to thank you so much for watching. Now check out this video for another really weird niche that's blowing up on YouTube that you could potentially make a lot of money in. This is another really weird niche that I bet you've never even thought of. Check it out right here. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. My name is Matt Parr, and I'll see you in the next video.